Hello friends, welcome to my channel, Tech and ICT Solutions, with another helpful video tutorial.
Everybody get your fucking hands up.
Today, I will show how we can share any drive or folder in any Windows network. I use two laptops for checking. So, now, I check my first laptop IP, I share a drive from this laptop. I use Wi-Fi network, and I need to check this IP now. Here is my IP, now I share my drive from this laptop. Go to this PC. Now, select a drive, and click on the right button, which you want to share. Click Properties. Now, click Sharing. After this, click on Advanced Sharing, and select Share this folder. Click on Permission, and give full access permission, if you want. Select All Allow, and click Apply, then OK. Drive or file share complete. Click on Close. I share my D drive. Now, I check my shared drive status on another laptop. So let's go to another laptop. This is another laptop, and now, I search for my other computer shared drive by IP. After searching for my other device IP, press Enter. You can see, a drive is open, and which we shared a drive from another computer. Thanks for watching this video. Please, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.